Okay guys, so I'm out and about and literally I need to get my nails done. Look at these. Terrible. My nails in a light pink, a dusty pink, which I absolutely love. I just wanted something natural, something that I can maintain, and when it grows out it doesn't look terrible like it did before. Okay, so this is my mini jacket potato, as you can see. Just turn it around for you. So I've just literally added some salad, put butter in it, bit of salt, salad, and some Parmesan cheese, and a bit of Caesar smoked garlic sauce. Absolutely love it, and that is my my meal. Was absolutely divine. I'm actually trying to cut down on eating meat. I'm not a vegetarian. I probably am a pescatarian, where I'm just only eating fish and vegetables, but that's just my choice. But it was a quick, easy meal. And if you would like for me to post more like videos where I'm actually preparing, because I didn't show you when I was preparing the meal, but if you want me to post a video where I'm preparing the meal, please comment, please like, and I can do that for you. I'm not like a fantastic cook, a chef, but I can put it down in the kitchen, you know. I can feed my family, can feed myself, and it's tasty. So yeah, if you do like it, just please comment below if you want me to post something. Let me know. Today is literally like a lazy weekend, and I've done all my chores. That's a lie. I've got washing to do, I've got hoovering up to do, sweeping up to do. I actually want to sort out my garden. My garden is an absolute mess at the moment, and I'm quite annoyed because my grass is actually overgrown. I'm very garden conscious, if that is a term. But what it is that I love gardening. When we got the house, the garden was in an okay state, but I put a flower bed, one raised flower bed and one lower flower bed, and I've spent quite a lot on plants. You know, I'm not the best gardener, but it's something that I do like, something that I did enjoy when I was younger, and I picked it up quite recently since we got the house for garden. At the moment, I am a little bit annoyed because my grass is overgrown, and the reason why it's overgrown is not because I haven't been keeping on top of it, because I was in the past, but what it is that my husband, he is actually allergic to freshly cut grass, and what it is that he it aggravates his hay fever, and every time he's in the house I can't cut the grass. So yeah, and plus it's been raining, so I blame the rain and the hay fever. Right, so I'm gonna go and I'll catch you guys later. I can hear my son stirring upstairs. I'm gonna see how he is. It's time for his feed. And yes, I'll catch you guys later.